gopher! And llamas!
Okay, and what were you going to do with the gopher?
We were going to give it to Kathy. Shh, it's a present. We're gonna stick it in a box. And then put it at her door and go, nug, nug, nug.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
And I'm scared to jump in. Oh, we can jump together. Yeah, right. You push me. Come with me. No, I'm gonna go with you.
Tiffany and Kitty playing in the pond. Jumping. And guess what? I just made that up.
I kind of figured that. Just like I made up a llama song. Llama, llama.
Yep. You guys are still going to do the llama song, right?
I don't remember it. What was it again? Underwater llama, we're gonna eat you, we're gonna eat you. Yeah, yeah, yeah!
But you have to do it in the water, because you're not underwater.
I can't do it underwater. Above water llama! I'm scared to get in the water!
Just go!
Ready? No.
Yes, you are.
One. If you're so anxious to go, why don't you go? Actually. I mean, we can pull it back again, just like push it. Seriously?
You better forgive cutie pie, missus.
You're my cupcake. You're my sugar-mooka-mooka-mooka. You're my cupcake.
Do you like waffles?
Yeah, we like waffles.
Do you like pancakes?
Yeah, we like pancakes.
Do you like French toast?
Yeah, we like French toast.
Can't wait to waffles. Waffles. Okay, now jump.
Okay. Okay. I'm really gonna go. Don't. Wait.
Just do it over.
Oh God.
Is it cold?
That was a rush. Is it cold? No, not at all. Why are you out? Because it's freezing. I gotta take Tiffany.
I gotta take Cat first.
Oh Lord.
See, I was just gonna swim out to the dock with the camera. Come here, let me feel you.
It's colder out here than it is in the water.
Let me touch you. Let me see how cold. Oh, it's not that bad. Lava, 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 lava. Underwater lava, lava. Go, Kitty, go. Kitty, we know that Cat don't like water, but you gotta go. No, we would have gotten hypothermia in November. Oh, Lord. Okay, it's not cold. Okay.
Holy crap, it's a lot warmer the third time. It's warmer the second and third time? Yep. Okay. I'm coming to you to get the camera.
Okay. Here you go.
Okay.
There's the handle.
Holy crap. Okay, I got you.
Get the handle.
I got the handle. I got the handle.
Okay. Fantastic. Amazing. Scaredy cat jump.
Go, go, go.
Go for water llama.
Come on, do it.
Water llama.
Where's the dock? Okay. Go.
I will.
Okay, take it. Record her. Oh, get back up here. And it thunders. Insert clap of thunder. Woo!
Holy crap! So cool! Oh, okay, I did it then. It was colder in November.
I don't know how to stop this.
Just keep going.
Okay.
Holy crap! Go, 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 go! No, let's get up.
It was cold. We made it! We made it! We didn't die of hypothermia. Nope.
No.
And now it's raining. Yeah!
Here, look at that. I think. go.
I'm about to go if you don't go.
Okay. Okay, ready? We're down. Oh my gosh, so cute.
Jump in on it.
What are we thinking? Cat said.